Our final stop for today is Cape of Saint Vincent in the town of Sagres, the southwesternmost point of Portugal and the mainland Europe, and historically connected to the early Portuguese age of discovery. With a cliff that rises 75 meters above the sea, the Romans once believed that it is literally the end of the world. According to the legend, the current name of this cape is linked to a story of a martyr in the 4th century. The body of an Iberian deacon Saint Vincent was brought ashore here. The landmark above the cliff includes a 15th century Sagres Fortress by the order of Prince Harry the Navigator to protect the town from the Moorish pirates. The 43-meter wide structure was fully excavated in 1919. The circular pattern on the ground is believed to be a wind compass, once used as a navigational tool. There are still canyons and a chapel known as Our Lady of Grace. The chapel was erected in 1579, and inside you can see a depiction of Saint Vincent. As part of the 5th centenary commemoration marking the birth of Henry the Navigator, in 1894 the lighthouse was inaugurated. The building consists of a rectangular tower with white masonry, with a single-story annex for residents of the lightkeeper and storage. The lighthouse was rebuilt several times since, and since 1960 it is present in its current form. It's equipped with 500-watt lamp, which allow a range of 11 nautical miles. It was dark, and driving back to home base Faro by the free national road takes approximately 2 hours or an hour and 15 minutes by the toll road. Since I'm an adventurous person, I'm going to take the long way home with a rest and drop by our last town in Algarve. Located on the Array River, Portimão is one of the largest towns in this coast, with a population approaching 55,000. The economy has been dependent on fishing and its growth as a port since it was founded. The Greeks, Phoenicians, and Carthaginians were all early trading partners before the Moorish occupation in the 11th century, and the port flourished. Once again, as a coastal city, it's no wonder the must-see attraction is the Stone Beach, offering golden sand and a wide selection of sights and activities, including boat tours, water parks, scenic hike trails, and along the cafes, bars, and restaurants, and clubs all close to the boardwalk. Now, Portugal honestly have endless beaches. I think this is my last beach for the day. Maybe not, we'll see. Facing the beach is one of the town's landmarks, the old fort of Santa Catarina, built in 1581 to 1640 when Portugal was under control of the larger neighbor Spain. It was built to protect the incursion from pirates and Moors. Its chapel is dedicated to St. Catherine of Alexandria. Today it is possible to climb up a steep set of steps to walk around the battlement. Although there's no museums, the upper level is fully accessible and contains an old canyon with a spectacular view of the marina and